Hello everyone, I am Afrose from PG and Research Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. Today my topic is string in Python. Subject Python programming, subject code CS203A Unit 4. Okay, let's move to the topic. First thing, what is Python? Python is high-level language and easy to learn. It is used to develop a web page, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and app development, and much more. Then why we use Python? It is simple language to develop a web page or anything else, and readable, clean code. Then huge community and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Basic concepts of Python: variable, data type, control, loop, function reusable of code, object and classes. It is basic Python program. I just click on those and enter. We run Python program using print. We can use double quotes or single quotes or triple quotes, whatever it is. Okay. First, I open bracket. I put double quotes. Welcome to. I give. I give an welcome to SJC. This is a string. Okay. Okay. Well, let's run. Before we run, we have to save this program in our disk. We have to save this program in our system. File. First you go to file, then save save this program. Sample program 1. I give this program's name sample program 1.py because this is Python, so file format is py Python. Okay. Then we run the program. First we save this program, then run this program, run module F5. Okay. Run F5. Welcome to SJC. We print welcome to SJC. So this output is welcome to SJC. Then clear. Other is print triple quotes. We used to run the program by using triple quotes. Hello SJC. We close the triple quotes and close bracket. Use this close bracket. Then we run F5. This must be saved. Hello SJC. We get the output. We get the clear output. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the main topic. What is Python? Then strings. Okay, today we discuss about strings. A string is a data structure in Python that represents a sequence of characters. It is immutable data type, meaning that once it created, it cannot change. The strings are used widely in many different applications such as storing and manipulating text data, representing name, addresses, and other types of data that can be represented as text. Okay. Creating a string in Python. Strings in Python can be created using single quotes or double quotes or even triple quotes. Before we saw that the program, how to run the basic Python program. Okay, that is the syntax: variable name underscore text, then example subject Python. They use the single quotes to run this program and get output Python. And the operations on strings has 3 types: concatenation, append, multiply, or repeat. Okay, first concatenation. Concatenation means to joining strings. That is, the two strings are joined together using plus operator. Example S1, example S1 Python, S2 Java. Print the value S1 plus S2. The output will be Python and Java. Here it is example. Okay. First we run this program. Okay. Okay, let's concat this. First I give string 1. First I put string 1 equal to hello, hello. Then string 2 equal to SJC. Okay, let's concat this. Okay, result, I put result to get both values. Result str plus double quotes to join string 1 value, double quotes plus string 2, and print result, control S. Save the program. First you need to save this program, then run. Here the output is hello SJC. First we use to string 1 hello, string 2 SJC. I used to put result to join to add this both string 1 plus string 2, double quotes string 2, and print result this name to concat this both hello SJC. Okay, understand? Then I put this control S, run hello SJC. Okay, then next append. It means to add text at the end of given string using plus or equal to operator. User can add text at the end of other string. Example string 1 welcome to. Then string 1 we have to add Python programming, so I use string 1 plus. So I put print S1 to get out, print S1 to get output. The output is welcome to Python program. Okay, let's run this program. Let's run append method. To create a list using fruit equal to square bracket apple fruits, that are apple, comma, apple, double quotes, comma, double quotes, banana, comma, double quotes, cherry, close this bracket. Okay, let's append a new fruit. Okay, we add new fruit, so fruits dot append. We have to use this append method. So append method is orange. I have to add this orange. Okay, orange. Then print fruit. Then print fruit and save this program and run this. Apple, banana, cherry. First we have fruit, this apple, banana, cherry. Then we use this append method. We use this append method to add orange. So I use fruit, print fruit, then orange has to be added. Okay. And then multiply or repeat. The user can use multiple symbol to repeat a string n number of times, which whatever can be 4, 3, 5, 10, 11. Here the example s1 equal to Python print s1 use multiple symbol 4. So the output is Python, 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 because we give string 1 star 4 to get 4 times. So we get output 4 times Python. Python, 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 Python. Okay, let's move to other topic. String methods. There are a lot of methods in Python program. The first method is capitalize. This function used to capitalize first character of string. Example, string hello, print string capitalize method. So we get hello in capitalize. Then title method. This method is used to capitalize the first character of each word in a given string. Example, string color green, black, blue. The print string title. So output is color. The color only will show uppercase because we give title method. We put title method to get title. Then count. This method is used to count the number of times substring occurs in a string. Example, string green color, black color, blue color. We get only colors, that is print as count the color. How many color placed in this example? There are 3 colors: green color, black color, blue color. We separate the color, only color, so we give print s dot count color. The output is 3. Then length. This function is used to count number of character in a string. Example, string Python program print len s, output is 14. There are 14 characters in this string. Lower. The function used to convert all characters in the string into lowercase. Example, m Python program print m lower, output Python program. Uppercase method. This function is used to convert all characters in string into uppercase. Example, m Python program print m lower. The output will be Python program in uppercase. This is method and its descriptions. There are many methods: capitalize, title, count, len, end, with, start with, find, replace, swap case, is alpha, is alphanumeric, is digital, is lower, is upper, is space. These are all the methods of Python programming. Thank you.